Oh wait, okay. So now I got a severe problem because
So
hold on a minute.
the harpoon
Hold on a
idea
minute.
was so awesome.
Okay. So I got a severe problem. Like my my strategy my strategy for going that fast is going to take me back into Earth orbit, going X5 or going however fast it took me to get there, and I still can't stop and turn around. You know what I'm saying? Maybe I'm going too fast to be in Earth orbit because it only took me, say, X2 to launch out, to ramp out of the gravity well. So when I come back, then that's where we just drop you guys off, you know, and you go back and you land in your space pod on the surface. But our cruiser ain't stopping. Our cruiser, you go back and you land on the surface in your space pod, and your journey's done. But our cruiser ain't stopping. It's gonna keep going. We're going X5. Now we're gonna go X5, and we're gonna come around the Earth. And okay, so now we got a decision to make. What's our next stop? So, are we going to go to Mars? Maybe we're going to go to Venus. So we're going to come around the Earth. We're going to come around the Earth. And we're going to hit, if we want to, we're going to hit our boosters again. Just to go faster, and we can hit X6, you know, X7, you know, and we can hit Venus. And then we're going around Venus at X7, but we can use it to turn to go somewhere else that we want to go. X8. Right? But I mean the problem is the problem now is that I'm going too fast to do the stuff that I wanted to do. So I don't really want to go too fast. You know what I'm saying? So I want to decide what my top speed is going to be as I do all of these rounds about the different planets. But my ship is going to continue to go and do these things. But I don't want to go too fast because I still have to, you know, bring fuel tanks on board and all of these other things. So my ship is going to have its own dedicated route, and it's going to continue to go and do these things. And I mean, nothing's going to stop me from using extra fuel to slow down so that I could do specific tasks. You know what I'm saying? But generally speaking, I'm just going to only use my boosters to be steering, you know, and speeding up so that I can hit all the different planets. And then, you know, at some point, here's Mars, here's the Sun, and here's the Earth. Now there's where I want to hit all my boosters so that I can, you know, reach the Earth by the time it gets here, and then use it to turn, and then get to Venus, and then use it to turn, and then get to Mars, you know, or Mars that's here now, you know, and then the Earth is suddenly here now, you know. But I'm using the principle of accumulative acceleration to hit speeds to kind of keep the same itinerary and slow down. You know what I mean? So like by the time I get to Earth, maybe I'm going X9 or X10, and I have to use a lot of fuel to slow down enough so that I am able to stay in Earth orbit. to gather my fuel tanks again and things like that. So we book a lot of different missions at once, and we do them all at the same time.